Hey everyone, Sophia here. Before you spend $200 or even $50 on a smoothie blender this year, stop right there. Most people end up with either a weak blender that leaves chunky ice chunks in their drink or a massive countertop giant that takes forever to clean. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best smoothie blenders, comparing motor power, ease of cleanup, and total value. Stick around until our number 1 spot because it delivers near commercial-grade blending power at a price that might surprise you. Check the links in the description below for today's prices and more details. Let's dive right into number 5. Number 5, Hamilton Beach Power Elite. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. Now, if you prefer a traditional countertop glass jar without spending a fortune, this is your best entry point. It packs 700 peak watts of motor power, coupled with stainless steel ice saber blades. What sets this one apart from other budget options is Hamilton Beach's patented wave action system. Instead of just spinning ingredients around in a circle, the jar design constantly forces ingredients down into the blades. That means far fewer unblended kale leaves or rogue ice cubes at the bottom of your smoothie. You get a thick 40-ounce glass jar that doesn't stain or absorb food odors, plus 12 different blending functions controlled by 5 simple buttons. Pouring is mess-free thanks to the built-in spout lid, and when you're done, the glass jar, lid, and blades pop right into the top rack of your dishwasher. It is slightly bulkier than personal single-serve blenders, but for standard kitchen tasks, ice crushing, and family-sized smoothies on a tight budget, it's an absolute bargain. Number 4, NutriBullet Blender, MBR 1101. At number 4, we have an icon that needs no introduction, the original NutriBullet Blender 11-piece set. If counter space is tight or you just want a quick no-nonsense smoothie before heading out the door, this compact machine is legendary for a reason. Fueled by a high-torque 250-watt motor base, it takes up practically zero space on your counter compared to full-sized processors. Using it couldn't be simpler. Load your fruit, yogurt, and ice into the cup, screw on the stainless steel cross blade, push down, and twist. In about 10 seconds, you've got a perfectly blended personal drink. The 11-piece kit gives you a tall cup, short cup, party mug with lip rings, and stay fresh resealable lids. You can literally blend your protein shake directly in the cup you drink from, rinse the blade, and you're out the door. Keep in mind, with 250 watts, it's designed for quick daily shakes, soft fruits, and light ice rather than heavy frozen blocks. But for sheer convenience, portability, and value, it's hard to beat. Number 3, Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, QB3001S. Taking the number 3 spot is the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. If you loved the idea of a single-serve blender like the NutriBullet, but you want serious raw muscle to pulverize frozen fruit, whole seeds, and hard ice, this is your answer. The Ninja Fit packs a surprisingly heavy-duty 700-watt push-to-blend motor into a sleek, ultra-compact footprint. Using Ninja's nutrient extraction technology and Pro Extractor blades, it completely breaks down whole fruits, veggies, and tough skins, unlocking vitamins that usually get wasted. It comes with 2 16-ounce single-serve Ninja cups equipped with leak-proof sip and seal spout lids. You just push down on the cup to pulse or blend continuously. Ice gets crushed into snow in seconds flat. Everything is BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe. If you make dense green smoothies with kale, frozen berries, and ice every single morning, the Ninja Fit gives you premium Ninja crushing performance. Number 2, Ninja Mega Kitchen System, BL770. Coming in at number 2, we have an absolute titan in the kitchen, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, BL770. If you have a larger family, love hosting, or want an appliance that replaces multiple gadgets, this powerhouse does it all. We're talking about a massive 1,500-watt, 2-horsepower motor base that effortlessly shreds through literally anything you put inside it. The system includes a giant 72-ounce total crushing pitcher that turns ice to snow in under 3 seconds. But that's not all. You also get an 8-cup food processing bowl that chops veggies evenly and can even mix up to 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. And when you just want a quick personal smoothie for the gym, attach one of the included 16-ounce Ninja cups with a to-go lid directly to the motor base. You get 4 dedicated functions for blending, mixing, crushing, and single-serve processing. It is larger and requires more storage space, but if you want professional-level power, food prepping capability, and unbeatable versatility, this ninja system is worth every single penny. Number 1. NutriBullet Personal Blender, NBR 0601SSWM. And now, for our number 1 overall recommendation, the NutriBullet 600-watt Personal Blender. When balancing price, smoothie texture, countertop space, and daily durability, the original 600 watts NutriBullet remains the undisputed king of daily smoothie makers. It strikes the absolute sweet spot with a 600-watt motor driving patented cyclonic action extractor blades. It doesn't just chop your food, it emulsifies seeds, stems, skin, and frozen fruit into a silky, perfectly smooth texture with zero grit or annoying pulp. The intuitive push, twist, and blend system requires zero button confusion. You get a generous 24-ounce tall cup, a travel lid, and a comfort lip ring. Plus, cleanup is literally effortless. Twist off the blade, give it a 5-second rinse under the faucet, and throw the cup in the dishwasher. It's powerful, virtually indestructible for everyday use, super affordable, and makes the smoothest personal drinks imaginable. That's why it takes our top spot. Whether you need the budget-friendly Hamilton Beach glass jar, the versatile Ninja Mega System, or our top pick 600 watts NutriBullet, you really can't go wrong with any of these options. If you'd like to check current prices or learn more about any of these blenders, you'll find all the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if this guide helped you out, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell notification icon so you never miss our ultimate product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and happy blending!